This next one is called a scapular squeeze with external rotation. You're going to grab a band, or if you're in a pinch and don't have a band, that's okay. You can do it without a band too. And what you're going to do is you're going to turn your thumbs up. You're going to pinch your elbows down to your side, squeeze your shoulder blades on the back, and then open the hands up. Okay. Initiate that squeeze, and then open the hands up. Should feel those muscles on the backside working to kind of squeeze here. Great exercise to kind of give yourself some space after a whiplash injury and get some things firing again on the backside. Good set and rep scheme here is about 2 to 3 sets, 8 to 10 repetitions. Let's go through about 4 more together. At home, you're going to take yourself through about 2 to 3 sets of these. Squeezing those shoulder blades, opening up the hands, making sure we don't flail out the elbows, but the elbows kind of stay tucked at your side. On the back side, I'll go through 1 or 2 repetitions. It looks like this. Squeeze those shoulder blades and open it up. Squeeze the shoulder blades and open up.